Welcome to Product Critique, where we break down the latest tech and gadgets so you know what's worth your money. Today, we're talking about the best 4K Ultra HD streaming media player you can get right now, the Xiaomi TV Box South 2nd Gen. Let's jump straight into why this device is such a game changer. At first glance, the Xiaomi TV Box South 2nd Gen doesn't scream for attention. It's minimal, compact, and light, almost disappearing behind your TV. But don't let the small size fool you. Inside this unassuming little box is a powerhouse of features built to deliver a premium entertainment experience. Powered by Google TV, this box offers a clean, intuitive interface where content comes to you from your favorite apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, and much more. Google TV intelligently curates content based on your viewing history and preferences. That means less time searching, more time watching. The Xiaomi TV Box South 2nd Gen supports 4K Ultra HD streaming, but it doesn't stop there. It includes Dolby Vision and HDR10+, which means richer colors, deeper contrast, and an all-around more cinematic viewing experience. Whether you're watching high-speed sports or dark, moody dramas, the visuals are stunningly detailed. Let's talk about performance. Under the hood, you're getting 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. While this may not sound groundbreaking, it's perfectly optimized for streaming tasks and casual use. Apps load fast, navigation is fluid, and you can multitask between services without noticeable lag. It's not made for heavy gaming, but for media consumption, it's right on the money. Connectivity is a major strong point here. With dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, you get stable, fast internet performance. Plus, it features Bluetooth 5.2, which is a significant upgrade if you want to pair headphones, controllers, or a wireless keyboard for easier navigation. There's also an HDMI port and USB port for expanded media input options. One of the most underrated features? Audio. The Xiaomi TV Box South 2nd Gen supports both Dolby Audio and DTS HD. So if you're connected to a soundbar or home theater system, the audio quality is elevated to match the 4K visuals. It's surround sound ready and will absolutely level up your binge-watching sessions. Another highlight is the voice-enabled remote. With built-in Google Assistant, you can simply speak to find your favorite show, ask about the weather, control smart home devices, or even check your calendar. It's responsive, fast, and makes the whole experience feel premium. Setup is a breeze. You just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Google account, and you're ready to go. Updates happen automatically in the background, ensuring your software stays fresh without any effort on your part. Now, while the internal storage might seem limiting, remember, most of your streaming content is cloud-based. But if you do want to sideload apps or connect external drives, the USB port gives you that flexibility. So who is this for? If you're someone who wants a no-nonsense, high-quality 4K streaming device with excellent audio and smart features, without spending a fortune, this is it. The Xiaomi TV Box South 2nd Gen delivers more than its price tag suggests. It's reliable, feature-rich, and it fits effortlessly into any living room setup. And that wraps up our look at the Xiaomi TV Box South 2nd Gen. If you've been looking for a media player that balances power, smart features, and affordability, this box checks every box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product breakdowns right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next one.